You that came out today, we thank you. We're going to miss Tamir, but Tamir lives in every one of us. That's right. We thank you. This is my daughter. She's going to miss him very much. It's something that never goes away. It never goes away. It's always there. But we have to do other things to pamper it, to make it even, to make it so it won't hurt.
We must love and support one another.
We must love and support one another.
We have nothing to lose but our chains.
We have nothing to lose but our chains.
Let them hear us all the way to the West Coast. It is our duty to fight for our freedom.
It is our duty to fight for our freedom. I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, this little light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Jesus gave it to me, he did, and I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, Jesus gave it to me, and I'm gonna let it shine. Jesus gave it to me. Thank you, Lord. And I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. All in my home, I'm gonna let it shine. All in my community, I'm gonna let it shine. All in my community, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine.
We need each and every one of you to keep this vigil alive. The vigil does not conclude when we leave this place. As our young people just shared with us, we have to let our light shine wherever we go. All for justice, for Tamir, for Tanisha, for all of our young people and individuals, innocent people who died at the hands of police brutality. We must be responsible. We are the ones that we have been waiting for. No one's going to do it for us. We have to call for justice in our communities. We are the ones that we have been waiting for. So as we leave this place, please, we beg you to please keep the light shining in your hearts, but also in your actions and your works. We all have some responsibility. Tamir was ours. Tamir belonged to each and every one of us here. So it's our responsibility to make sure that we call for justice, that we demand justice for this innocent young man. You're standing on sacred ground.
Tell me what's up. Why don't you tell me what's up?
Hey, that's Deal here, Greater Cleveland Cop. I just came from a vigil for Tamir Rice at Kudell Rec Center where he was murdered by Cleveland police. And I'm gonna go show this sign to the Cleveland police that are outside who have come here in mass in response to a fucking peaceful vigil.
He's helping spotlight you.
Yeah.
Why are you doing that? He's shining it in your face. You just blinded that driver. He told me to mind my business. What's your name? What's your badge number?
That's about the response you get.
You don't want to tell me that stuff? Bet you like killing little kids. I see you. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cop cars. And this shitbag. Hey, that cop's got a burnt out headlight. Someone should write him a ticket. If only there was a cop around. Hey, that guy's got a burnt out headlight. You should write him a ticket. That one behind you. Thought you enforced the law. Damn! If only they were enforcing the law today. Son of a bitch!
Which one's got the headlight out?
Look at the one without a headlight.
Oh yeah.
And we got 4 cops just sitting here doing nothing about it. Man.